This video segment is an overview of features pertaining to the climate control system in the Air Systems International Breathing Air Supply Trailer, BASS-2025. The trailer's primary heating and cooling source is a 2.5-ton, 460-volt, 3-phase, wall-mounted heat pump. The heat pump's heating and cooling performance is 26,600 BTUs max, with backup 9 kilowatt electric resistance heat, with total output of 28,160 BTUs. The trailer's secondary heating source is an integrated heat recovery management system attached to the breathing air compressor and controlled by a central control unit. The breathing air compressor will be able to provide an additional 49,000 BTUs for heating needs. During compressor operation, the compressor should, under most circumstances, be able to provide all heating needs in the trailer, and the heat pump would be in standby as its thermostat will be satisfied. The heat recovery management system consists of 3 motorized dampers operated by a main controller and associated ductwork. One louver, cooling air damper, or CAD, on the controller is located in the lower portion of the partition wall and modulates how much outside air will enter the main cabin. Another louver, inside discharge damper, or IDD, on the controller is located in the ductwork and modulates how much heated air from the compressor enters the main cabin. The last louver, outside discharge damper, or ODD, on the controller is located in the top of the partition wall and modulates how much heated air from the compressor is discharged outside of the main cabin. A user adjustable temperature set point, ZNT-SP, on the controller can be entered on the controller pad and should be the same as the thermostat setting for the heat pump. This set point will determine when and what actions the motorized louver should take to maintain the internal cabin temperature. The user can scroll to see the status of each element in the system: ZNT, ZNT-SP, CAD, IDD, and ODD. During cold weather deployment, the heat pump will provide all heating needs for the interior compartment and maintain the compressor and all associated breathing air equipment at a ready-for-use temperature. When the compressor is in use, cooling air flows through the cabinet from the side and out the top diamond plate discharge ducting. This heated air will be discharged into the compartment until the temperature reaches the set point on the controller through the inside discharge damper. At this point, the inside discharge damper will begin to close and the outside discharge damper will open to divert the heat outside. As the ODD opens and diverts heat outside, simultaneously, the cooling air damper will begin to open to allow outside air in to cool the compartment down to the set point. During warm weather deployment, the operating scheme remains the same, except that heat recovery management system can only cool the main cabin with air from the outside, at whatever temperature that may be. If additional cooling is needed, it will have to be supplemented by the heat pump in AC mode.